Sewing Training Program, presented by LifeBridge Foundation. Dear friends and supporters, LifeBridge Foundation is pleased to introduce our Sewing and Tailoring Training Program, designed to empower individuals, especially women and youth, with practical skills for self-employment and financial independence. This training program focuses on developing hands-on skills in stitching, garment designing, and fabric cutting. Participants will learn how to operate sewing machines, create different types of clothing, and perform alterations and repairs. Such vocational skills can open doors to jobs in the textile industry or help individuals start their own home-based businesses. Training objectives: to provide professional sewing and tailoring skills, to promote self-reliance and income generation, to equip participants for small business opportunities, to support community development through skill building. What participants will learn: basic and advanced stitching techniques, pattern making and garment cutting, use and maintenance of sewing machines, designing clothes for men, women, and children, alterations and finishing techniques. Program benefits: practical hands-on training, opportunity for self-employment, increased confidence and creativity, certification upon successful completion. Through this initiative, LifeBridge Foundation aims to transform lives by equipping individuals with valuable skills that lead to dignity, independence, and a better future. We kindly request your prayers and financial support to help us continue empowering our community.